There's breaking news coming in. Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister, now at RML Hospital. The BJP MP Mukesh Rajput has been admitted in critical condition in the ICU of RML Hospital after he got injured inside the Parliament premises and was visited by BJP leaders. We can now see Rajnath Singh has also gone there. It's complete assault and scoot in the Parliament that has now been seen. Now Rajnath Singh at RML Hospital to meet MPs Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput. Amid upheavals, viewers in the Parliament, we saw protests on the B.R. Ambedkar Rao. Another BJP MP, Mukesh Rajput, sustained severe injuries. He was admitted to the ICU of RML Hospital. Let me go across to Riyanka joining us live. Riyanka, what is the latest that is happening there? Tell us about how the members of Parliament who've been injured are speaking and what exactly are they seeing?
Just a few minutes ago, we had seen Defence Minister Rajnath Singh arriving at the RML Hospital to pay a visit to the injured BJP MPs Pratap Sarangi as well as Mukesh Rajput. We know that their health, especially of Mukesh Rajput, is slightly critical, which is why he has been admitted in the ICU. On the other hand, it is Pratap Sarangi who have in fact gotten around 4 to 5 stitches on his forehead because of the push and pull that had happened allegedly by Rahul Gandhi. On the other hand, we know it is a Congress party that has come out and denied these claims, rather said it was the BJP, BJP leaders who instead pushed Mallikarjun Kharge. So it is an entire dramatics on the part of Congress party that is currently underway, but many leaders of the BJP, the MPs, are one by one coming and paying their visit to the injured MPs. In fact, the latest, as I rightly mentioned, and we have the visuals as well, it is Defence Minister Rajnath Singh who has just arrived at the RML Hospital to take stock of the situation, to speak to both of the BJP MPs who have suffered injuries to understand their health condition. Remember, in the entire course of the day, we have heard several sound bites of the leaders who continue to say that they are at a state of shock, that the MPs who have been injured, they do not feel very well. Their BP continues to be on high and their situation is currently being monitored. But like I said, even before Rajnath Singh had come into RML, there were other leaders one by one who had come in here and paid their visit to the injured. We are also now seeing that it is around 5 minutes that the Defence Minister has gone in to monitor and to understand, take a stock of the situation and to speak to both of the leaders.
There's anger across India at what happened. We're also now being told, Riyanka, that following the incident, Union Minister Shivraj Chauhan, Prahlad Joshi met the injured BJP MLAs. Videos from the scene earlier also showed Sarangi in a wheelchair after he got injured during the jostling with the Indy Alliance MPs. TDP MP also met Mukesh Rajput at the RML Hospital. And, the RML Hospital, what is the update they are giving on the status? Because earlier Dr. Ajay Shukla of the RML Hospital had said that 4 to 5 stitches had been given to Sarangi on his head, while Mukesh Rajput's blood pressure continued to be extremely high. Riyanka? Okay, she's just gone to get a reaction where she is at the RML Hospital. Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister, about to speak after meeting MPs Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput.
हमारे दो सांसद प्रताप जी सारंगी और हमारे मुकेश राजपूत दोनों इस समय राममनोहर लोहिया हॉस्पिटल में इस समय एडमिट हैं और उनके हालात की जानकारी लेने के लिए मैं यहाँ पर आया था। और जहाँ तक प्रताप जी सारंगी का प्रश्न है, उनको सिर में 2 टाँके इस समय लगे हुए हैं और साथ ही साथ हमारे मुकेश राजपूत के भी सिर में अच्छी खासी चोट लगी है के लिए मैं यहाँ पर आया था। और जहाँ तक जहाँ तक प्रताप जी सारंगी का प्रश्न है, उनको सिर में 2 टांके इस समय लगे हुए हैं और साथ ही साथ हमारे मुकेश राजपूत के भी सिर में अच्छी खासी चोट लगी है, लेकिन दोनों की हालत अभी इस समय स्थिर हैं। डॉक्टर्स का यह कहना है कि अभी 2-3 दिन का समय हॉस्पिटल में और लग सकता है या इससे ज़्यादा का भी समय लग सकता है, लेकिन जो भी घटना घटित हुई है ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और मैं समझता हूँ कि स्वस्थ लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था में इस प्रकार की घटनाएं जो होती हैं ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और इसकी जितनी भी निंदा की जाए वह कम है।
संसद भवन में आपने सालों से देखा इस तरीके का कई बार प्रोटेस्ट होते रहे, अभी पिछले कई दिनों से
मैंने आज तक, जहाँ तक मैं लगभग 30-32 वर्षों से भारत की संसद में हूँ, लेकिन आज तक मैं समझता हूँ कि इस प्रकार की दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना कभी घटित नहीं हुई है।
सर खड़गे
जितनी भी अधिक इसकी निंदा की जाए वह कम है।
सर खड़गे जी जो कह रहे हैं कि इस हमारे ऊपर
नो कमेंट।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
तो राजनाथ
Rajnath Singh visited the injured BJP MPs. He's spoken about the assault, the stitches that they had there. Let me go back to Riyanka. Riyanka, the Prime Minister also spoke to both the MPs over the phone, asked about their health. But this is an ugly assault. The assaulted MPs have now been admitted in the hospital. Give us more updates about how they are and how the Indie bloc is looking at this ugly scuffle.
Oh yes, we were just giving you the visuals and that very, very important response from Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who has condemned the entire incident. He has also said that he has gone ahead and taken note of the situation and the condition of both the BJP MPs, and he has assured all help and support to both of them and condemned the action that has happened and calling the entire scenario an undemocratic move by the Congress party and especially targeting Rahul Gandhi in this manner. Now, on the other hand, if we talk about the Indie Alliance constantly being defiant about the matter, saying that it was not Rahul Gandhi, these are just false narratives being peddled by the BJP. On the other hand, if we just talk about the BJP, there were several other leaders, like I had mentioned, they were coming one by one to pay a visit to both the leaders of the BJP who have been injured, but as of now their condition remains stable, is what we are getting to know. The treatment is on and what we are also expecting is some other leaders of the BJP as well will be visiting the two leaders, Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput, at the RML hospital.
Priyanka, I want you to stay with us. Let's also listen into other reactions of the leaders who were at RML hospital after visiting the assaulted MPs.
हमारे बुजुर्ग सांसद, गरीब सांसद